Hello and welcome to my channel Roots and Roads. So, एपिसोड 1 में आपने देखा हमने अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट किया पुणे से. Then we met up with Sai and Pramod, went through this amazing Konkan belt, but on the way we stopped at the beautiful Raigad Fort and finally found a camping spot. The urge to wake up is more than the need to sleep. How often do you wake up to a spectacle as this? How often do you smell the salt of the sea? How many times have you felt the kiss of the gentle breeze? How many times do you wake up in a dream? How many times have you prayed for and also been blessed with a glimpse of paradise? Well, for me, these are moments that are rare, and I'd like to cherish them for my days to come. So finally, it was time to say goodbye. Yes, goodbye is never easy, but we moved on with hearts filled with joy, and we would definitely be back. Thank God we found a place to get fresh. 70 rupees, and we had a hot shower and did our morning jobs. Post that, we had some local breakfast here at the seaside. It was a lovely place. We got into a car and we ensured that all our things were packed. It was a 2.5 to 3 hours journey through jungle that we had to scale to go to something known as the Serenity Virgin Beach. So off we go, and we will see you on the way. और ये छोटा सा गांव छोड़ने से पहले अगर हम महाराष्ट्र में हैं और वड़ा पाव नहीं खाए तो कैसे होगा, राइट? तो ये जो है स्वीट्स आणि स्नॅक्स, कुठले स्वीट्स? गणेश स्वीट्स आणि स्नॅक्स, राइट? तो यहाँ पे हम लोग ने फ्रेश वड़ा पाव, काफ़ी सारे स्वीट्स है, तो अभी हम खाएंगे फ्रेश वड़ा पाव. चीयर्स. वड़ा पाव. अगर गरम होता तो मज़ा आता. इतना गरम नहीं है, बट ठीक है. तू भी क्या करा? वड़ा पाव या समोसा पाव? ओके. We're here, and this is continuation of day 2, Konkan Belt. We're in this small village, and one of the things that when we go for camping is we need to look at clean drinking water. So what we've got is this little plant. We've got our own 20-liter can. So if you see this, there's an RO plant. We fill the water. पानी यहाँ से भरेंगे भाई, कार में डाल देंगे, टेंशन ही नहीं. फिर 1-2 दिन भी चल जाएगा, 2 दिन चल जाएगा, आज रात और कल सुबह तक. और फिर तो बाद में the last stop is anyway going to be Goa. So in Goa we will have fun. So we'll not tell you that, but आज हम कोंकण बेल्ट में ही रुकेंगे, and ultimately we get into Goa. So Goa में will be the third and final day. Okay, we are back on the route. We're going to be leaving this village, and I think the purpose of this shot is also a small social messaging that we want to pass around to. We've been very conscious. Whatever garbage या हम जो भी कचरा जमा कर रहे हैं कैंप साइट पर, तो हम लोग ने बिल्कुल भी फेंका नहीं. हम लोग ने एक छोटा सा प्लास्टिक बैग लिया, उसके अंदर सारा कचरा जो भी था, चाहे वो सब्जी का कचरा हुआ या जो भी कचरा है, हम लोग we collected it on that, and we ensured that there is no garbage. Now the thing is, बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग चीज़ दिखाएंगे आपको.
इसमें जाना पड़ेगा ना.
तो अभी हमारे साथ एक छोटा सा जोक नहीं बोलूँगा, बट थोड़ा सा डिफरेंट सिचुएशन हो, हमको नहीं मालूम था कि वील नीड टू क्रॉस दिस बाय फेरी एंड इट्स क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग. सो ये जो आपको मैंने दिखाया, दिस इज़ अ बिग ह्यूज बोट वेयर यू टेक योर कार्स एंड यू पार्क इट द वे जैसे अभी पार्क कर रहे हैं हम लोग. विल गो थ्रू दिस एंड इट विल टेक अस roughly around 3 kilometers by boat. It will drop us to the other side, and from there we'll continue on to our journey to Serenity Beach. So yeah, some pictures coming up from here. Okay, so अब हम ferry पे बैठ चुके हैं. We are on the ferry and I've got my noise cancellation on 2, so hopefully you can't hear the background noise, but it's quite noisy on the ferry. And if you see that side, that's the other end where we need to go. And apparently by going this route, हम approximately 14 to 15 kilometers save करें. Oh, we know how to make hay when the sun shines. You heard us right. Ferry में भी हम लोग ने खूब सारा मस्ती किया. We went and asked the driver, भैया हमको चलाने दो. ड्राइवर बोला नहीं, मैं ड्राइवर नहीं, पायलट हूँ. पर जो भी है मस्ती तो हमने वहाँ पे भी किया. फेरी से उतर गए और हमारा जर्नी वहाँ से फिर से चालू हुआ, राइट अप टू द सो कॉल्ड अननोन वर्जिन सेरेनिटी बीच. एंड देन देखिए आगे क्या होता है. सो वी टेकन अ स्मॉल ब्रेक. वी आर इन मिडल ऑफ a thick jungle. It's a car. Okay, like I said, we are in the middle of nowhere. और एक ऐसे जगह पे आके रुक गए हैं जहाँ पे जंगल ही जंगल है, घाट सेक्शन है पूरा. If you can see here the boys. And मैं आपको अभी एक चीज़ दिखा रहा हूँ. I'm going to show you something and you let me know if you can see that, right? See right on top? Can you see that? And let me zoom in, okay? Let me see if I can zoom in. Well, that is a big ass spider. I've never seen one such big. And if you look at it, he's made his web right in between, and I'm telling you that this guy is equipped to even catch small bats and small birds. Amazing, amazing. Let me zoom in again for you. Yeah. See this? Wow. That is a big spider. तो टाइम पास करने के लिए हम लोगों ने खेला एक छोटा सा गेम, and we never knew this would become a regular section of our blogs. Okay, so what we're doing right now is called something called as an interview section. Yeah. We're going to make it very simple, okay? Yeah. No marks for guessing the right answer, yeah. But also no marks for giving the best answer. Yeah. Agreed?
Yes.
So simple questions. So we've been what, 2 days?
I'll give you good answers.
No, beer. We don't drink and drive, Pramod. We don't drink and drive.
But I was sitting on the back side.
Backside? Whose backside?
Back seat.
Back seat. Well, no, we were not drinking, guys. We are responsible citizens. We don't drink and drive. This is Sai. He's been
driver drinks.
Our dedicated driver. Hey, guys, this is a social messaging YouTube channel, guys. Exactly. So we need to be very conscious. Okay. So the question is, we've been what? This is the second day of our journey.
Yeah.
I'll ask you, Sai. English, Hindi, whatever you want. But what is your most memorable moment? Day one.
Day one. Huh. At the night, I thought someone is walking behind our tent. But it was just the wind.
It was just the wind. Yeah, so यार एक तो वो हॉरर स्टोरी हो गया भाई, गोस्ट स्टोरी था टिपिकल. भाई 2 बजे उड़ गए. 12 o'clock रात को उड़ गए एंड उड़ के टेंट के बाहर झाँक रहे हैं भाई, कोई तो भी आ रहा है, कोई तो भी हिल रहा है. And it was actually scary because the way the tent was blowing, जिस प्रकार से हिल रहा था भाई, we thought the tent is going to fly. And our man out here, Mr. Pramod, he just did not sleep. He got shit scared and scared the hell out of us as well. But yeah, जब हम लोग ने देखा, so that was fun, right? So let me ask you the same question, Pramod. What was your most memorable moment yesterday? The best moment, okay? And don't lie.
Yeah. मैं कैंप देखने के लिए मैं चल के गया था पहले, सबसे पहले एकदम खोपची में गया, एक्टिवा थी, मैं ढूंढ रहा था एक्टिवा पे आए कौन थे।
फैमिली चैनल।
एक झाड़ी के नीचे, एक स्टेप्स के नीचे एक कपल था, बेचारे गप्पे मार रहे थे। तो मेरे
तो
को
गप्पे मार रहे थे और वो लोग सीनरी देख रहे थे, लोकेशन देख रहे थे। यार वो लोकेशन ही ऐसा था।
इनफैक्ट हम दोनों डर गए, वो भी डर गए, मैं भी डर गया। तो हम कॉन्शियस
So sorry, guys, this interview is not going planned as it was, but yeah, we're just having some boy fun, and these and that's the best part about this trips, right? So, let me ask you a different question, since this is an interview time and since I have the mic, right? What best do you like about these boys trip? Okay. Honest answer.
sir.
For me, there is no agenda. Like we are standing here, middle of nowhere, in the jungle, on a ghat section, no agenda.
Yeah, that's true. यार एजेंडा ही नहीं है यार, हम लोग चल रहे हैं, कितने भी बजे उठे हैं भाई, and that's the beauty about this boy trip, be it camping, be it hotel, but when you all guys, when you're leaving the family around, there's no agenda. You don't need to worry about where to go, how safe it is.
One more best part is when we're not in coverage, that's the best part. That is best about boy trip. We always have an
So-
excuse that there is no range, no coverage, right?
So you know your wife is going to watch this, right? your wife is my first subscriber on my YouTube channel. So भाई भाभी देखेगी पक्का, और अभी भाभी को ये सच मालूम पड़ेगा प्रूफ के साथ। ओके तो भैया अभी जो हमारा तो टाइम पास चलता रहेगा, हमको सफ़र अभी यहाँ से 1-1.5 घंटा और है, चलते बनेंगे। आप लोग जुड़िए हमारे साथ। ये चैनल को कब एडिट करूँगा, कब डालूंगा, बट जब भी डालूंगा मज़ेदार होने वाला है, मज़ेदार होगा। जिस प्रकार के हम व्यूज़ आपको दिखा रहे हैं, जिस प्रकार के हम आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन शेयर कर रहे हैं, बने रहे, टिके रहे। एंड रिमेंबर, वी आर रूट्स एंड रोड्स, विद एवरी टर्न देयर इज़ अ न्यू एडवेंचर। And speaking of adventure, well, this is what happens if you blindly follow Google. We got stuck. It said Serenity Beach around a kilometer ahead, and there was just no place for a car to go, let alone a car. I don't even think a bike would go. So it was too secluded, not a soul nearby. So I think common sense prevailed. We decided we need to turn back. It was all left to the skill of Sai and Pramod to turn the goddamn vehicle behind. We did that. It was not easy. But finally, once we turned the vehicle, you see this in fast forward, we tried in doing that. We finally got out of that difficult spot and we moved on. एंड निकले ही थे वहाँ से कि और एक दुर्घटना होते होते बच गई। वी केम फेस टू फेस विद दिस ह्यूज स्टेट ट्रांसपोर्ट ST bus, and it's not very clear on the video out here, but a little more, either the bus would have toppled down or we would have gone down, and it was around, I think around 10 to 15 feet drop, and we would have definitely gone down. But I think Pramod did the job. He navigated us out, guided the bus, and we finally came out of that narrow path. So do comment and do let us know, when you're going with family, what do you do in such situations? How do you cope up with danger? What are the things that you do? Do you take the risk? Do you stay at places which are secluded? What do you do? We are new to camping, but we'd like to hear from you. So keep giving us your comment and let us know, how would you handle such situations? Speaking about danger, bhai, these are the things. ये जो आप देख रहे हैं, untouched beauty. These are the things that make the risk worthwhile. We took a risk, we went to a secluded place, we couldn't get to the place where we wanted to be, but on the way we stopped by to admire this nature's beauty. This is Serenity Beach, another corner though, not in the place that we wanted to go. But we stood here, we spent some time, and finally we reached a camping site, which is also another story. So remember, do like and subscribe, because with Roots and Roads, we believe with every turn there is a tale. और कैंपिंग का तो किस्सा ये था भाई, आज रात का थके हाल थे हम लोग, 2 बार दुर्घटना बची. But anyway, We went, we searched the hell out for a camping spot. सबको पूछा, सब लोगों ने मना किया. Finally, it was getting a little bit too late. It was around 6 o'clock in the evening, and finally Pramod spotted a beach, and he said, let's go to this beach. It was called Ganesh Gule Beach. I hope I got the pronunciation right. So I don't know how much you can see, how much you can hear. This is unedited, no mic. But आज का camp का थोड़ा late हुआ. We set our tent pretty late. So what we did was, we came to this beach to
Ganesh
ask. This is Ganesh Gule Beach, right?
गणेश गुले
Ganesh Gule Beach. Okay, fantastic. So this is Ganesh Gule Beach. Ganesh Gule Beach. Yeah, I finally got it right. तो हम लोग यहाँ पे आए यार, पूरा secluded है, कोई ज़्यादा crowd नहीं है, and there were few resorts. मुश्किल से कार केम इन. बाय द टाइम वी केम इन, स्टोरी ये था कि भाई हमें कोई परमिशन नहीं दे रहा था कि कहाँ पे पार्क करें, कहाँ पे नहीं पार्क करें. तो ऑन द बीच देयर वाज दिस लेडी हु सेल्स टी, एंड दैट्स द स्टोरी, राइट? वी आस्क्ड हर, कैन वी कैंप हियर फॉर द नाइट, एंड शी एग्रीड. शी अलाउड अस टू कुक नियर हर स्टॉल. सो वी गॉट अ गुड रेडीमेड counter to cook. And what we will do is, you would have already seen the time-lapse video that we sent, right? So that was the counter, and we have not yet set up tent. So we're waiting for the crowd to subside. By around an hour or so, our cooking is done, and maybe 30 minutes from now, we'll try and set up tent. ये है water, ये हमारा प्लेटफॉर्म, रेडी-मेड प्लेटफॉर्म, और बन क्या रहा है भाई, देखो ज़रा, लाइट लगा के दिखाते हैं आपको. ये है तंदूर चिकन. प्लान तो किसका था? बारबेक्यू का था. बट अभी वी फीलिंग टू लेजी टू पुट द चारकोल टू ग्रिल इट. तो उन्होंने शॉर्टकट में चिकन मसाला मैरिनेट किया है इसके अंदर, एंड वी आर मेकिंग दिस लवली पीस ऑफ ग्रेवी. सो फाइनली डे 2 accomplished. We finally made it. The second day on the trot, camping in the wild, camping in the open. We did that, and tomorrow is going to be a different day. We retired to our tent, which we so love by now, and early morning tomorrow we will leave for Goa. And of course, stay tuned for that third and final episode coming up on Roots and Roads.